In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, I'd like to compare and contrast the changes that you find in PowerDirector 19 that has just been released with PowerDirector 18. There are some features that have been improved, and there are some new features that are added. And when this happens, if you're like me, I ask myself, well, is it worth buying one of these packages if I don't own them, or is it worth updating to one of these? Now, the answer to that will depend upon what package you are looking at, and I'd like to focus on 3 of them in this particular tutorial. I'd like to give you an overview of the changes in PowerDirector Ultra version 19, PowerDirector Ultimate version 19, and PowerDirector 365. The answer to the question, should I upgrade, will vary according to which package you're looking at. Let's start with the Ultra. Now, the Ultra package is the cheapest. It's the one which offers a lifetime license which doesn't expire. What are the differences between the Ultra 2019 and the Ultra 18? There are 12 of them. First of all, I'd like to look at the new features in Ultra 19. In 2019, you can now modify keyframe anchor points. And incidentally, we're going to offer tutorials on all of the new features and all of the improved features in the upcoming weeks. But that's the first one. The second feature they offer for Ultra users for 2019 is they offer you a built-in Blogger's Social Media Pack. So if you're a blogger, there are some features in here that you might find helpful in your video editing. Number 3 is an 8K video import. Now you can import 8K files. Number 4 is now optimization for 10th generation Intel processor chips. Also, they've optimized version 19 for the Ryzen series 3000 chips. The 6th new feature in version 19 Ultra is you can now output an AAC 5.1 audio channel. Now, there are also 6 features in PowerDirector that they've upgraded, or they call enhanced, from version 18. They have improved the capabilities of the mask designer. Secondly, they have added features to the motion graphics titles option. Thirdly, they have upgraded the screen recorder. The previous version was built around version 2. This is built around version 4. It's called 4SE. The 4th update is in the title designer. It has more features. The 5th update is dealing with video blending modes. There's a bit more flexibility there. And number 6, you have more features in the color match tool. So those are the big changes and improvements in PowerDirector 19 version Ultra over the previous version. Now, what if you're looking at the Ultimate package? Well, the Ultimate package has the same 6 new features that we looked at a few moments ago that are in the Ultra version, but it also, for the additional cost, gives you 4 more. Here are 4 other things that you won't find in Ultra. You can now, with the Ultimate version, import .mov Apple ProRes files. You can also use hold with keyframe interpolation. A 3rd feature is now you can use a selection mask with motion tracking. And a 4th feature is it's built in with a sketch designer, which offers you 14 templates. So those are some of the things that you have in Ultimate version 19 that were not there in version 18. And again, that's for those of you who want to buy the software and own it and not be part of a subscriber kind of model. How about the situation when you find yourself a 365 subscriber? Well, all you need to do is update to the most recent version and you'll have all the new features. I'd like to highlight a couple of things about it. If you have PowerDirector 365, you can transfer the timelines between the 2 projects, and that would be very useful. We'll be looking at that. Another feature that they want you to know about is you have what they call UX improvements, which is basically look and feel. The interface has been improved, it's been simplified. They're trying to make things as clean as possible, and it's a cosmetic change to the way in which you interact with PowerDirector in version 19 if you're a 365 subscriber. I'm going to end this very short survey looking at 9 of the things that their website focuses on as far as changes or improvements between version 18 and version 19. And in the weeks to come, we'll be digging into all of these and showing you what they can do, what their limitations may be, so that you can continue to grow as a video editor using CyberLink PowerDirector.